Hello, in this course we learn a tutorial about Java. So, see Java introduction. Why you need to learn Java? So, for Java is a top 3 most popular languages and extremely flexible. It's for business, for web application, for Android application, for the games, and easy to find a job as a developer. So, now we talk about Java file compilation. We start with the basic. The computer language are a spectrum between being high level and low level. High level which means the human and the low level which means the computer. The computer only understands binary. It's referred to as machine code. It's a low level that a machine can understand. Here we talk about 00110. So the computer understands just 01. So the human create a source code after we compile this code. So they transform source code to machine. When we compile our source code to machine code from a Mac, we can only run that code on the Mac, and the same concept applies for Windows. So here the Java language has a solution. He create intermediary step, which means bytecode, where we can compile our source code to a format called bytecode. So we can write this code with Mac and we can compile on Windows. After we use the JVM for convert bytecode to machine code. So here JVM is included with GDK. So what is a GDK? The GDK is a development kit. It contains developers tools to help us code as JRA, Java Runtime Environment. It contains library, toolkits, and JVM. And JVM is a Java virtual machine. I said so. For the JVM, it's a translate from the source code to machine code. For download the GDK, I need to go in the browser and search here GDK download. I search here in Oracle and I find the last version of GDK. So here we have Linux, macOS and Windows. So for example, I choose Windows and I download this installer from here. So I turn here. For create a program, I need to IDEO. IDEO is Integrated Development Environment. It's a software that helps us write other software like Eclipse or IntelliJ. And in this software, we can check for errors, compile, and run code. So I need here to download Eclipse or IntelliJ. For example, if I enter here Eclipse download, I find here this installer and I do download. I wait here and I find this installer. And for IntelliJ, I enter here and find download and I choose community and I start to download IntelliJ. So I turn and here we find a version of Windows, Mac or Linux. So for install GDK or Eclipse, it's just a double click and I put the link for how can I install GDK or IntelliJ. Here I have Eclipse in my computer, and I start to create a project, Java project. Here I have in the file new Java project with name my first project. I do next and another finish. Here we have the SRC where we can create a class. So a class is a collection of related code. It contains a source code when we compile to bytecode. After we're going to create a new file dot class extension, and we can run that and translate it using a JVM. So here I create a class, a new, and here I have a class. So I write the name of class. For example, here I have main, and I select this choice, public static void main uh, string args. So here we have the name of the class, it's equal file Java. So if I try to run this class, I don't find nothing because here I don't have a code for run. And if I try to delete this part and I try to run the same class or the same project, he said selection does not contain a main type. So I turn here. So for running this class, I need to put this method. Here I do some phrase for running this class. So here system out point print, and write something like hello world. So I do run. I see here hello world. I do another example, system point out dot print. Hello Java. And if I do run to this class, I find this result, hello world and hello Java. So here I talk about the escape sequence. It's a character preceded with a / and a few character like \n or \t. So if I put here \n and I do run, I see here the turn of the line for this program. And if I do, for example, \t and I do run, I see this space here. So I delete this \t and I turn here. So we can resolve this problem if I put here print ln and here print ln. So So the println, which means I turn in the line. So this a result. For writing a comment, I can do like this. If I have just one line, I can do double slash and I write my comment. If I have multi-line, I can do like this. Hello, Java. So thanks for watching this lesson and see you in the next time. And don't forget to do subscribe to this channel. Thanks.